Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still believe that this is three waves up for a W. I think it looks like three waves down for an X, and I think it's going to end up making three waves up for a wave Y, most likely going all the way up and taking out these highs. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we can see a bunch more three-way patterns all over this chart. There's three waves up here, there's three waves down here. That right there definitely looks to me like the end of a crescent. I think the most likely thing to happen is it's going to make a new uptrend, which is going to be a part of that wave Y, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. So let's keep going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we got a nice big impulsive move to the upside. I still think it looks like a wave 1. I think this move down is possibly already a 2, and we may have already had the ABC of 2. I think the most likely thing to happen at today's CPI inflation data is this is going to end up continuing the uptrend. Like I said, today is CPI inflation news for the dollar, so that definitely is going to affect this pair for sure. Even if it does make a move down, I think it's just going to be part of a crescent, and I think that we're going to just keep on trending up for a wave 3, a wave 3 up, wave Y, like I was showing on the longer time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're definitely making a pretty good move to the downside pre-news. I think that whatever's happening now is setting itself up for the news. To me, the most likely thing to happen is that this is just going to keep on trending up, making higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, higher lows, and just keep on trending up. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, definitely a pretty strong move to the downside, but no structure break to the downside. No reason to think that the higher time frame trend is not up. This move down is pretty strong, but if anything, I think it's probably just going to be a crescent, and I think it's just going to keep on trending up. So even if the news does initially cause this to go down, I still think it's just going to be a crescent, and I still think probably within a day or so it'll just keep on trending up, all part of that big wave Y pattern that I was showing on the much longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.